Thank you very much, everyone. By the claps I got, I'm more popular than Jitesh and Deepak at least. Yeah.
Filmfare is the country's leading entertainment magazine, a part of Worldwide Media, a Times Group company. Other titles such as Femina, Hello, Grazia, Top Gear, BBC Good Homes, Trends, Lonely Planet, and BBC Knowledge are also a part of this humongous family. Filmfare Awards is one of India's oldest and most distinguished. Okay. Filmfare Awards is one of India's old, has now evolved into one of India's most spectacular events. Ladies and gentlemen, this year, Geo presents the Geo Filmfare Awards for the second time in a row. Filmfare Awards have been the premium showcase of artistic and cinematic excellence in India and enables people across the country to appreciate good entertainment. Geo is strongly aligned with the philosophy of reaching wholesome entertainment across the country and is honored to have played a transformational role in extending the reach of art and cinema to millions of Indians in just 1 year. Geo has made it possible for millions of Indians to actively participate in the content ecosystem. Thanks to the 4G connectivity provided by Geo throughout the country, the entire process has become more interactive and collaborative. We are committed to deliver a rich digital life to the people of India, just like the Filmfare Awards believe in celebrating the richness and diversity of Indian cinema. जियो ने डेफिनेटली सिनेमा की रीच तो बढ़ाई है एंड दर्शकों की चॉइस भी पहले फिल्म्स देखने के लिए सिनेमा घर जाना पड़ता था एंड तय टाइम पर मूवी देखने के लिए टीवी के सामने बैठना पड़ता था बट नाउ थैंक्स टू जियो दर्शक जहाँ चाहे जब चाहे अपने पसंदीदा कंटेंट को देख सकते हैं Jio is already working with some very talented and creative people of Indian cinema and hopes to continue weaving the magic of cinema, explore new genres and formats, and help keep cinema and the arts relevant and meaningful for Indian citizens. Jio will also continue to strengthen the reach of technology through its ecosystem of network, devices, and apps. As Indians are rapidly moving towards consuming more and more content through the visual media and obviously on their mobile. देखो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बोला लैम्प के तरफ देखेंगे ना कैमरास के तरफ तो नहीं I request gentlemen to kindly pose for a photo. Thank you. We'll do it post the Q&A session. Thank you. I now request Mr. Deepak Lamba to kindly speak a few words.
Thank you. A very good evening to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for taking out from your busy schedules to join us here this evening. We're delighted once again to welcome you for this announcement where we are launching the 63rd Annual Filmfare Awards. Just some facts. We are hosting the awards live on the 20th of January this year from the NSCI Dome Stadium. As usual, the intent is the same, which is to honor the best that Indian cinema has shown us over the last year. And we are fairly confident that there's abundance of talent, and we'll be able to showcase and reward the people who've done their bit to making Indian cinema reach new heights. Just a few facts that I wanted to tell you is that, you know, over the last few years, I don't know if you all have noticed, but we've tried to make sure that we do our best to try and grow this Filmfare Awards franchise. So right from moving to a new venue, looking at actually involving a live audience to be a part of the atmosphere of the awards. We've also grown the franchise in terms of it just not being a Hindi awards anymore. We used to always do Hindi, we used to always do South awards, but we today do a Filmfare Punjabi, we do a Filmfare Marathi, we do a Filmfare Bengali. We've also last year announced, I mean year before last, Shah Rukh had announced that we'll be doing something called the Short Film Awards, which is films under 15 minutes or less. Last year was the first time we debuted that. 20 minutes? Sorry. And we got about 1,400 entries. This year, I think Jitesh already is telling me we've got over 2,500 odd entries. So I don't envy the jury for having to go through all of those lists. But I think it's a very, very important feature as we try and differentiate ourselves from the other award shows that are out there. Our partnership with Jio has actually truly helped us in greatly enhancing the reach of this unique award ceremony. I'll give you some numbers. 2 years ago, we were at about a 300 million duplicated reach. I'm very, very proud to tell you that the concerted efforts of the team and what we've done on television as well as what we've done on digital, led largely by Jio's platforms, we've last year managed to hit a duplicated reach of 690 million, which means that in a country of 1.2 billion people, if you are anybody who's connected to either the television or a mobile device, you would have interacted with the awards in some way or the other, and it gives us this is a moment of great pride and joy for us. I'd also like to tell you that this is another important year because we welcome colors to the Filmfare fraternity, and from this year onwards, you will see the awards being telecast on colors exclusively as a television platform. It's a fantastic television platform. They've done wonders, and we're very, very happy to welcome them into the Filmfare family. And last but not least, whilst we always try and put on, or try our best to put on a great entertaining evening for you all, I think Filmfare and Shah Rukh have come to be almost synonymous with each other. I was just looking at some stats. I think over 50 Filmfare covers, I think 12 Filmfare awards plus 3 special awards. Since 1995 has hosted Filmfare at least 15 times, if I'm not mistaken. Close to 20 times. So I don't think there is a Filmfare Award ceremony that is complete without the magic that Shah Rukh sort of brings to the stage. And we are very, very delighted once again that he's very kindly consented to partner with us and once again agreed to be the host. And I can vouch for the last 2 years that I've been involved in this, that the hard work and the value add that he brings to what you all actually see emanating out as the finished product is truly exemplary. So I couldn't be more delighted that we have Shah Rukh once again consenting to be a part of this awards for us. So thank you so much, Shah Rukh. That's it for me, guys, and over to Jitesh.
And we are also equally happy to see him host the show again. I now request Mr. Jitesh Benai to kindly speak a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I'd like to thank Jio for their constant support and being such wonderful sponsors. And we've done it over 3 or 4 years now. And what gives me special pleasure is the fact that we've done these shows in the Filmfare Marathi and the Filmfare Bengali has especially been amazing experience. So thank you, Jio. And thanks to Jio Cinema, our TV show, famously Filmfare, had a fantastic reach. So thank you again. For me, this is really special. I know it may seem because he's here, but it's really, really special because I can say it now. I think it's 25 years of knowing Shah Rukh Khan, and it's 25 years of Shah Rukh Khan at Filmfare. So he's, I think from his first performance when Bazigar, I mean, I was a college student, I wasn't a journalist then, but I was kindly invited to the Filmfare function where he performed Kali Kali Aankhein with Kajol. That was 92, I think. And then, of course, as a rookie reporter, he's seen me through the BEST auto rickshaw. Every time we'd get late into the, because an interview with Shah Rukh Khan meant you had to wait 8 hours. So, you know, so he would all constantly drop me to stuff. And he was very, and he was kind and nice to me when it was not important to be kind and nice. So as a reporter, that really stayed with me. And it's been just fantastic. My most memorable moment with Shah Rukh Khan is the 2007 awards, if I'm not mistaken, when Saif was unwell and we dropped the bombshell on Shah Rukh one day before the show, ki buddy, you'll have to do this on your own. So Shah Rukh being Shah Rukh took it in his stride. And I think for me that year was amazingly memorable, where Shah Rukh paid tribute to films like Munna Bhai MBBS, Rang De Basanti, Dawn, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, and Krish, and all of that. So it's just been fantastic. So it wouldn't be wrong to say Shah Rukh is truly part of the Filmfare family. Shah Rukh is family. So thank you very much for hosting Filmfare for the 20th time. And I feel especially privileged because I've been part of this beautiful journey, and I watched him win awards for my personal favorite films like Swades, Chak De, My Name is Khan. So it's been really, really wonderful as an editor for me to see Shah Rukh go from strength to strength. And finally, I know he does the TED Talks and all that, but I think the secret of his success is a huge inspiration to journalists like us. The key is reinvention. The key is to stay afloat is to dream high, dream big. And the way he's beautifully reinvented himself, his persona as an actor, as an entrepreneur, is really amazing. So thank you very much. And thank you for being a very patient audience listening to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Jitesh. I now request Mr. Shah Rukh Khan to kindly speak a few words.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you very much, Jitesh and Deepak and the whole Filmfare family for again having me on board for the Filmfare function and otherwise too. दो तीन चीज़ें हैं जो मैं Filmfare के बारे में बताऊंगा, शायद पहले भी बोल चुका हूँ, तो लेकिन फिर भी दोहराना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि जब हम बड़े हो रहे होते हैं, जैसा अभी जितेश ने बताया, मुझे 25 साल हो चुके हैं अब. But when I was growing up, when I was in Delhi, I remember watching bits and pieces. उस वक्त दूरदर्शन पे इतना सब नहीं दिखाया जाता था. थोड़ा सा कुछ Filmfare के बारे में आया. And I didn't know if I wanted to be an actor then or not. But there was this desire कि मैं कभी ना कभी ऐसे कोई मुकाम पर पहुंचूंगा, जगह पर पहुंचूंगा जहां पर मुझे भी लोग इतना प्यार देंगे. I wasn't too sure कि मैं एक्टिंग करूंगा या नहीं उस वक्त, मुझे याद है. But the feeling was enticing, was overwhelming when I saw it on television. And that time I think it was even black and white, not even in color. And bits and pieces used to come as if in the, like in the film division, newsreel kind of a thing. और उसके बाद पहली बार जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था, so I think the old Hotel Centaur में Filmfare Award हुआ करते थे. And I was new, I think my films had not released. And my friend Vivek Vaswani had somehow, उस वक्त भी पास मिलना बड़े मुश्किल होते थे Filmfare के, तो कहीं से इसने निकाल के 2 पासेस लेकर आया था कोई जगह से. और हम लोग बहुत पीछे खड़े हुए थे, बहुत ज़्यादा पीछे. सेंटोर में जो स्विमिंग पूल था उसको कवर किया जाता था और उसके ऊपर स्टेज लगता था. एंड हम पीछे बहुत एकदम आखिर के अंदर दिख भी नहीं रहे थे. एंड आई वाज रियली होपिंग वन डे मैं ऐसा कुछ करूं. और ये उस ज़माने की बात है जब बहुत सारे अवार्ड फंक्शन नहीं होते थे. अब डाइम अ डज़न है, सब बहुत अच्छे हैं, सब बिल्कुल एक जैसे ही लगते हैं. और मेरे लिए और भी आसान हो जाता है सिर्फ सूट बदलना पड़ता है. But the idea was always कि मैं stage पर आऊँ, इस मुकाम पर आऊँ, and I think Filmfare, Times of India Group, all the people that time, judges, juries, audience, and of course Jitesh and Deepak are much younger. As the years have gone by, my desire to be on Filmfare stage has not lessened. जिस ईयर मुझे लगता है अवार्ड मिल रहा है उस साल मैं परफॉर्म नहीं करता, होस्ट नहीं करता. जिस ईयर लगता है नहीं मिलने वाला मैं होस्ट कर देता हूँ. क्योंकि डिज़ायर मेरी यही है कि मैं स्टेज पर ज़रूर जाऊँ फिल्म फेयर के किसी ना किसी तरीके से. So I take a few days to negotiate with Deepak and everyone, and it's not for money, it's just to make myself feel important. मैं करने ही वाला होता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन एक दो बार कि हाँ देखेंगे, सोचेंगे, ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि स्टार भी हैं. Otherwise there's been no reason I should not be at Filmfare. जो जितेश ने मेंशन किया, मेरा एक आइडिया ये भी था, और ये सिर्फ मैं बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली पूरी टीम हुआ करती थी उस वक्त. You know, the idea was that somehow can we change the face of presentation, bring in a little more entertainment, bring in a little more comic relief perhaps, and still maintain the seriousness, the dignity of receiving an award for a year's work to the best players in the industry in different fields, technical and otherwise, which we started. And I think a lot of award functions have followed suit, and they do it really wonderfully, I'm sure, at times. And every year when I do Filmfare, the desire is this, कि हम वो, जैसे, just to mention my own film, या दंगल, कि चक दे जैसी फिल्म बना लें, जो कॉमर्स भी attract कर ले television के ऊपर, or somehow retains the dignity of the award function also. So the endeavor is always that. This year too, 63rd Filmfare Awards. As Jitesh mentioned, I've been close to about 20, having hosted them, and I've really enjoyed myself in every act that I've performed. And I really look forward to doing it. This time we have a new partner in Jio, so there is obviously going to be a new foray into the digital world also. Television partner is also new, you have colors. But the essence of Filmfare, inshallah, will remain the same. जहाँ पे actors को, actresses को, technicians को, directors को, producers को, editors को, and all people who are responsible for a film. This is one of the award functions I really enjoy because it starts with technical awards, with all due respect given to the technicians to start off with. And I think that itself speaks volumes for the fact that everybody behind the scenes who makes about 200 films in Hindi, now they've gone into Punjabi also, and South also, and Bengali also, but who make films in Hindi, they all get a dignified stage to let the world know they were behind the scenes, and then they go back behind in the darkness and keep on making the beautiful films that we see. So I'm extremely thankful to Filmfare, to Times of India, to Deepak for calling me 3 times, knowing fully well maybe inside he'll still do it, but karna to padega isko. Jitesh for always assuming that I'll put up a good show and I try my best. The whole team which is here behind the scenes, and I will join them later. And inshallah we'll try and put up a good show on 63rd Filmfare Award on the 20th of Jan 2018. And all the people who get the awards are deserving. I believe that. I have, like he said, 15 of them. I would genuinely like to say all the awards are given according to the caliber, according to the jury, according to if there is a public voting, done in the nicest, sanest, and the most dignified manner possible. I've been a host for so many years, I can vouch for the fact, even me, I don't get to see the envelope just before I enter. So small little bits and pieces that people talk about awards, maybe they've had incidents like that, but I can assure you on this stage, none of that happens. At least it didn't happen with me, ever. And I can say that with authority, I have won maximum of them, so I should know. So thank you very much, Filmfare, for having me once again on board, and we will try to put up a really nice show, and hopefully everybody will enjoy it when it comes on. And thank you for listening to me also with patience and taking pictures of me while I'm having tic-tac.
Thank you so much, Shahrukh. And now the floor is open to the media for a Q&A.
check. So खान साहब, आलोक दिस साइड ऑन. सर सवाल है, किस तरीके से इस साल आप तैयार हैं फिल्म फेयर के लिए, और ऑन स्टेज भी दिखेंगे, परफॉर्म करते हुए भी दिखेंगे, कि किन किन चीज़ों में?
हमने अभी 3 मीटिंग कर चुके हैं आलोक यार, क्रिएटिव मीटिंग्स। एक आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से इट, वो फॉर्चुनेट बात है या अनफॉर्चुनेट, बट एक पैटर्न जो है वो सेट पीस होना लाजमी है। अवार्ड होंगे, प्रेजेंटर्स आएंगे, लोगों को अवार्ड मिलेगा, वो थोड़ी बहुत बातचीत करने का उनको मौका मिलेगा। बिकॉज इट इज़ सो फिक्सेड लाइक दैट, वी ट्राई टू वर्क अराउंड इट कि वो चीज़ जो है कम ना पड़ जाए और बाकी चीज़ें एंटरटेन करती रहें। So we've had some meetings. If I'm not mistaken, Ganesh is handling a part of the choreography. Bharat and his team is writing it, and not only them, I think all of us sit together. तो अभी हमने cursory beginning कर ली है, 2 meetings हो चुकी हैं. We know where we are trying to go. A part of it might be maybe down the memory lanes, because कहीं पे ऐसा लगने लगा है कि मेरा बड़ा important 25 साल हो गए और मैं भी 20 साल से कर रहा हूँ. So you know, I had an idea, maybe Filmfare then and now, and try and make dignified fun of that. कि कैसी चीज़ें बदली हैं या नहीं बदली हैं, and you know, to have a little piece of opening like that, maybe interact with other actors, actresses, and co-hosts, and try to make it as entertaining. More than that, yeah, to make it very snappy. मैं कोशिश ज़रूर करूँगा, वायदा नहीं करता हूँ. एक ज़माना था जब मैं इवन क्रिएटिव में भी पार्टिसिपेट कर लेता था. उस वक्त टाइम सबके पास ज़्यादा था. अब थोड़ा सबके पास टाइम कम होता है तो इतना नहीं कर सकता, बट उम्मीद यही है कि 2.5 घंटे या 3 घंटे में ख़त्म कर लेंगे. मतलब लोग जो हैं अगले दिन में ना जाएं वहाँ पे आने के बाद एक ही दिन में ख़त्म कर लेंगे.
खान साहब, वहाँ लाइव ऑडियंस भी होने वाली है, और बच्चन साहब कहते हैं कि जब भी वो इस तरीके से मंच पे जाते हैं तो उनको, मतलब वो क्या कहते हैं सर, कि पेट में कुलबुलाहट सी होती है. तो मंच पे जाने से पहले आपकी क्या स्थिति रहती है सर, ये जानना चाहेंगे.
अमित जी बहुत हम्बल है, और आई थिंक ग्रेट एक्टर की क्वालिटी ये होती है कि मैं अभी अपनी बेटी से बात कर रहा था कि जब भी सीन करते हैं, जब भी पब्लिक से मुखातिब होते हैं, जब भी किसी के सामने आते हैं, इवन राइट नाउ, इफ़ यू आर नॉट नर्वस, यू आर नॉट अ ग्रेट इनफ एक्टर. If you think you know it all, means you're not trying to discover anything new. I think Amit ji, whenever he presents himself on whichever platform, he's assuming and hoping and trying to present something new. And for us who've seen the great Amitabh Bachchan for years, हम so अरे और क्या कर सकते हैं? But उनके दिल में ये लगाव रहता है. And I think his humility and his nervousness on stage is actually case in point that he's the greatest actor this country's ever produced.
Hi Shahrukh, Sana here from Indian Express. As you mentioned, going down the memory lane, it's been 25 years for you in this industry. Take us back to the memory when you were first nominated for an award show and the moment when you heard your name on stage. How was the feeling?
1965 की बात है, तलवार नर्सिंग होम में एक बच्चा जब पैदा हुआ था जैसी माँ के पेट से निकला था, कहा ये फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड मुझे दे दो, मुझे दे दो, मुझे दे दो. मुझे कहीं पे ऐसा ऑब्वियसली फीलिंग आ गई थी क्योंकि डेब्यू मेरा हुआ था, आई थिंक दीवाना के साथ हुआ था. एंड इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, आई थिंक ईयर बिफोर दैट और सम टाइम आई हैड सीन सम अदर एक्टर हु हैड गॉट इट, एंड आई एम नॉट क्लियर ऑफ द नेम, सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट, बट अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, अ कॉलीग. और मेरे दिल में बहुत ऐसी चाह थी यार कि मैं वहाँ पहुँच जाऊँ. एंड आई थिंक इट वॉज अ वेरी इमोशनल मोमेंट. फैन मूवी में भी हमने यूज़ किया है, where I've always said this, my biggest attempt to be an actor, even when I fail with the films that I fail, and I've failed as often or more than I've succeeded. But मेरी कोशिश हमेशा ऐसी रहती है कि मैं फिल्म इतनी बड़ी बनाऊँ, and not just on the canvas, but by feeling, emotions. मैं ऐसी फिल्म बनाऊँ कि मेरे माँ बाप जो हैं हेवन से वो पिक्चर को देख सकें, जन्नत से उसको देख सकें, इतनी बड़ी लगे वो. So when I got the award, I wanted to thank my mom, and I felt, I don't know, ये सब अपने बच्चों की बातें होती हैं, इमोशन की बातें होती हैं, but I did feel truly that night that my mother and father saw me get a Filmfare award. So for me, it's a very emotional moment. Yeah.
And what's the feeling when you lose an award to another actor?
फिर दूसरे की मम्मी डैडी देख रहे होंगे और क्या. इनके मम्मी डैडी खुश होंगे.
Thank you, Shahrukh.
Hello. Hi, Shah Rukh Khan. Assalamu alaikum.
There.
Walaikum salam. Rahmatullahi
Kemcho.
barakatuh.
I am actually from South Africa.
From?
From South Africa.
Ji.
I wanted to know, do you ever think that the film fair will be brought to an international platform such as South Africa so your fans there will be able to see Bollywood live?
I think, yes, we've had a lot of discussions over years, with Deepak too actually, that should one try and, take Filmfare Awards overseas to South Africa and other places, because honestly, I think there's a huge amount of audiences waiting all over the world, which is very kind to Hindi films and Bollywood films and Indian films, not only just Hindi films. So yeah, if it is a possibility, but I guess Deepak will be able to tell you better कि वहाँ हो सकता है या नहीं, but I'm sure they have thought of it.
So short answers, yes, we'd love to go international. To put together an award show of such magnitude, there's a lot that goes behind the scenes. So sometimes, people like Shah Rukh, etc., are extremely busy on time. It's not, our attempt here is to make sure that the entire film fraternity and family gets together, and as many of them as they can. Sometimes that becomes a challenge when they're international location. The Times of India group already does an international property called Toifa, which you're aware. But having said that, we have been thinking about and are experimenting with a format which may not be an award ceremony, but it may be something like a Filmfare Night of Champions, which is where we take the best of Filmfare, the guys who've really had a great year or a great couple of years, and get them to come and perform to lovers of Indian cinema who are not necessarily based in India. So that is something that we are definitely looking at. The commercials play a huge role in this. So if you know any great companies in South Africa who can write us a good check, we can connect after this awards. Thanks.